Hello everyone, is your car hesitating to shift gears, showing incorrect speed readings, or even going into limp mode? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0721, output speed sensor, OSS range performance problem, this means your vehicle's transmission speed readings are inconsistent or outside the expected range. In this video I'll explain what P0721 means, the symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. The P0721 trouble code is triggered when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects that the output shaft speed sensor, OSS, is providing erratic or incorrect readings. This sensor is crucial for monitoring the rotation speed of the transmission's output shaft. If it fails, your car may experience hard shifting, incorrect speedometer readings, or even transmission failure. Ignoring this issue can lead to serious transmission problems. Common symptoms of P0721: harsh or delayed shifting, speedometer reading incorrect or not working, check engine light on transmission stuck in limp mode, inconsistent acceleration. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the affected components. To diagnose P0721, check these key components: output shaft speed sensor, OSS. Location: bolted onto the transmission housing near the output shaft or drive shaft. Function: measures the speed of the transmission's output shaft and sends the data to the PCM. Input shaft speed sensor, ISS, if applicable. Location: on the transmission case, usually near the front. Function: helps the PCM compare input and output shaft speeds to control shifting. PCM, Powertrain Control Module. Location: under the hood, often near the firewall or battery. Function: processes speed sensor data to manage transmission shifting. Wiring and connectors. Location: between the speed sensors and PCM. Function: transmits the speed signal, ensuring proper communication. Common causes of P0721: faulty output shaft speed sensor, OSS. A worn-out or damaged sensor may send incorrect speed signals. Loose or damaged wiring. Frayed, corroded, or broken wires can disrupt communication between the OSS and PCM. Failed input shaft speed sensor, ISS. Some transmissions rely on both the ISS and OSS for accurate readings. PCM malfunction. A faulty PCM may misinterpret the speed data, leading to incorrect shifting. Dirty or low transmission fluid. Contaminated fluid can cause shifting issues and sensor malfunctions. How to fix P0721? Step 1. Inspect the output speed sensor, OSS. Check for physical damage, loose connections, or dirt buildup. Step 2. Test the sensor with a multimeter. If it's not sending the correct voltage, replace it. Step 3. Check the wiring and connectors. Repair any damaged, corroded, or loose wires connected to the sensor. Step 4. Check the input speed sensor if applicable. If both sensors work together, replacing both may be necessary. Step 5. Inspect and replace transmission fluid. If fluid is dirty or low, replace it and check for leaks. Step 6. Reset the code and test drive. Clear the code with an OBD-II scanner and check performance. Ignoring P0721 can lead to harsh shifting, speedometer issues, and long-term transmission damage. Fix it early to avoid expensive repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0698, Sensor Reference Voltage Circuit Low. P0699, Sensor Reference Voltage Circuit High. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.